Hello everyone, many have purchased my ebook now, and many have asked me if I have it as a book. So now it's available from Amazon. You can purchase it as a book from Amazon. This is the link from where you can purchase it. If you write that link in your browser, it takes you directly to my book. This is the QR code also, but that link, as I told you, takes you directly to Amazon and directly to my book. Also, the ebook will be still available for those who wish to purchase it as an ebook. It costs €2, so that is not going to change. So now we have it for those who wish to have it as an ebook, and now you have also the option if you want to purchase it as a book.